So guys, do you know that this Telegram airdrop can make you up to 100 TRX in a day? And in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make up to 1,000 TRX. So if you want to learn how to do this, stick with me to the end of this video and do not skip any part of this video so that you understand how this Telegram airdrop works. So before we get started, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel. This is Web Review TV. So give this video a like and let's get back in the video starting right now. So in this video guys, I'm going to, as I said before, going to show you how you can make some free TRX for yourself. And as you know, it's a Telegram bot and the link is going to be in the description guys. So you can click on, when you get to this page, when you click on the link, you have to click on start button, and after clicking on the start button, you must have this notification here that you are invited by that number, the ID, before you start the airdrop. So after starting this airdrop, you're going to be brought with this. After entering the command, the bot will pop up a message in which you are going to join their official channel, to continue with the airdrop. So the first channel you're going to join is these two channel. So let's join the channel. So yours is going to be showing join here, but mine is, I've already joined the channel. So let's go back and do the same for the second channel. So you click on the join button and let me move out of some groups. So you click on join guys and go back. So after going back, you are going to see subscribe to YouTube channel. So you're going to subscribe to these 3 YouTube channel and they're the sponsor of this giveaway. So let's subscribe to the YouTube channel. So when you get to this page, you hit on subscribe button. Then you could turn on the notification bell and go back to the Telegram bot and subscribe to the second channel. Do the same to the third channel. So after doing all of that, you can decide to join the WhatsApp group if you want. Well, if you are like me that don't have WhatsApp, you can decide to skip it. So you click on joined. So after clicking on joined, you must make sure that you joined their YouTube channel for you to get paid. If you don't join the YouTube channel, you're not going to get paid guys. So after doing, you'll be brought with the list of commands here, and as what you're seeing, you're seeing balance, referrals, withdrawal statistics, and set wallet. So guys, let's start with the first way of earning from this platform, which is the referral section. So click on the referral. After clicking on the referral, you see that you earn 0.5 TRX for every referral on this platform. So you could share your referral link to anyone, and if they join, you earn free 0.5 TRX for yourself. So guys, if you want to know whether your payment has arrived, you see the payout group is also compulsory to join it, unless you won't get paid guys. So you click on join. After clicking on join, you will be brought to this group, and on this group you will see that there are messages of withdrawals that are ongoing on the platform guys. So you go back And as I told you, the referrals is the only way to earn on this platform. So you earn 0.5 TRX per referral. Easy to get referral. You can share to your family and loved ones or your friends. So before you place a withdrawal on this platform, you click on set wallet, then you input your TRX wallet address after it is loaded. So guys, let's wait a bit. So guys, as you can see, it shows your wallet is now set. So for you to start receiving your payment, you have to click on set wallet. Click on set wallet, then you can choose the CC tip on your Telegram and look for the bot. The bot is another way for you to get your TRX address. Then click on deposit, guys, and input this command, deposit. Then space TRX. After inputting this command, let's wait for it to load up. So after inputting the commands /deposit TRX, we brought to this place where you have to choose on the Tron TRC network. After clicking on the Tron TRC network, you'll be given an address, and on this place you have to tap on this address. Just click on it. You don't have to long press, just click on it and you see it is copied. So you have to go back to this airdrop and send this address to this bot. After sending this address, you will see that your wallet address has been set, and you can now, as you can see, let's check the statistics. And as you can see, the bot is a new one, and if you can join between now and next week, you can have something. As you can see, you have only 147 users on their platform. So if you want to withdraw, you click on withdraw, and they say you need 2 TRX to withdraw. Yes, you need to invite at least 4 referrals to the bot to withdraw, which is not hard at all. So I'm going to do that and see you guys later. So guys, welcome back after doing some referrals. As you can see, I was given 0.5 TRS for each referral I did on this website. And remember, you can only do legit referrals. Fake referrals are not allowed on the website. So now what I have to do is to click on the withdraw button, or let's check our balance first before we go for the withdrawal. So let's click on the balance, and after clicking on balance, you can see now that we have a total of 3 TRX after referring a total of 6 users. So guys, as I said before, you get 0.5 TRX per referral on this platform. So after clicking on withdraw, they say we should enter the amount to withdraw, and as you can see, we have 3 TRX and we're going to input 3. So guys, the bot has identified it and the message has been read from the bot, and what you have to do is to wait for payment to come on their payment platform, guys. So this platform is easy to use. The other ways you can earn money, and let me show you something really quickly. This airdrop I talked about before, which was the tongue referral, some people were calling it a scam, but the configuration has changed now. So if you want to claim your daily bonus, you can click on this launch app and you're going to be brought to this place, and you can see your available wallet balance, and you can claim daily bonus from this place. Click on get bonus and you'll be getting bonus each day. As you can see, I made a total of 8 referral, and I got 100,000 tongues. I withdraw the money and when it comes, I think I'll make a special video for that. So guys, let's go back. So guys, after that, you can see that I'm going to be giving out a total of 126 gigabytes for our new members on this platform. So all you have to do is, I'm going to leave the link to my Telegram channel. On this place, I'm going to be posting updates, and you can also turn on notification bell for this channel. So guys, I'm going to be giving one special person and lucky person some DGB to his wallet, about $1. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you have gone this far, you can give this video a thumbs up, hit the red subscribe button, and as I said, don't forget to subscribe. And you can also check out this video for you to learn how you can make money by sharing your internet. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the very next one.